Okay, let's look at Lab 2.1, Initializing Python Variables. So variables are very powerful ways to store data in memory in a named location. So we can put data in memory on the computer for the program to use, and we can give it a name that makes sense so we can find it later. So in this case, I've already downloaded the Python data files from the module. I've unzipped the files, and I copied all of the files from chapter 2 into my working folder. I've opened up newage.py because it says newage.py here in the instructions. And we're going to have it calculate our age in the year 2050. But there is a problem. VS Code is telling me that there are some errors, and I see some squiggly underlines, so I wonder if I run this, what's going to happen? And this doesn't look right to me. When I run this, here I'll clear that up, let's run it again. When I run this, I get some traceback, some errors. It says, hey, in this error on line 8, that's line 8 right there, it says new age equals current age, but there is no current age. So lucky for us, that's what we're going to do in this lab. So we've got our source code, we're ready to go. Let's initialize an integer variable called current age. And you can see we have a place to do that right here. So I'll type that in. And let's say you are 25, I don't know. And I'll save it. And then, of course, I'll run it. Why would I read the rest of the directions? And, oh, I got another error. I didn't get a current age error. Notice the squiggly lines moved, but now I have a current year error. So let's read the rest of the directions. Initialize an integer variable named current year and the value of the current year. Okay? So let's do that. Current year. That's what it wants. And the current year is 2025. So let me save that. I'll go ahead and clear this and run it again. My current age is 25. I hope that's true for you. I'll be 50 in 2050. Wow, amazing. Okay, looks like we did it. So let's make sure we get this correct this time. I'm going to paste my working source code in. So here's my working source code. I'll copy all that. And then I need to paste the program output. It's very important that you get both the source code and the output. All right. Oh, that's weird. It cut over a line there. That's better. And submit. Good job.